Hello friends and welcome back to another video. As you guys know that in the previous video I have showed you how to add movement in your Unity player, and in this video I am going to show you about collisions. So in this video I am going to move my player, and as it collides with the small balls of red color, they will disappear. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a C# script, and I will name it destroy, as we are going to destroy the red balls. After that, you have to open the script, and again we have to remove these two void methods. In some cases these are useful, but in some cases these are just extra. And here I am going to create another method which is public void on collision enter. In the empty parentheses you have to write collision call, and after that you have to put curly brackets, and in the curly brackets you have to make an if statement. If in the empty parentheses call dot collider dot compare tag, that means we are comparing the tags with the object we are colliding with. So call dot collider dot compare tag in the empty parentheses in double quotation marks food. So now we have to tag the objects we are colliding with. In my case these are the small red spheres, so I will tag them food. You can tag them with any name. So now if my player collides with the objects that are tagged food, then what we have to do is we have to destroy them. But firstly we have to detect the collision, whether we have collided with the object which is tagged food or not. So in the curly brackets I will write the debug.log statement. So I will write here debug.log in the empty parentheses in double quotation marks the message that I want to show. In my case it is you hit a ball. Save that and move back to Unity. Here you guys can see we again haven't put a semicolon. So put that and save that again and move back to Unity. Now you have to drag the script to the sphere. So now let's run the game. And you guys can see when I hit a ball, a message is shown in the console that is you hit a ball. Let's open the console, and here you guys can see it says you hit a ball. So that means our collisions are detected, but now we have to destroy the object. So for that, let's remove this debug.log statement, and here I have to put destroy, and in the empty parentheses call the name of the collision that we have named above in the empty parentheses. So call dot game object, and after that we have to put a semicolon to end a line. After that, save it and move back to Unity. Let's run the game now. And here you guys can see that when I collide with a small red sphere, it disappears. It is destroyed. So that means our program is working perfectly. So in this video, I have shown you how to add collisions, how to detect collisions, and how to destroy an object on collision. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.